This is her package. This is rice. And yes, open it.
Hi guys! Dumating yung our package just arrived today. And Nikki, she will help mommy to open the package! You need to be careful, Bob.
Help me, Mom.
Huh?
Help me this.
It's Dyson! Our Dysons arrived. Thank you so much. How are you gonna... No, just push this one. Push. No. Okay, I will hold it. Push. Yay! Thank you so much, Nikki, for helping mommy. Okay, wow. It's Dyson! Dyson, guys. Yay! First time. I think here. No, this way. Come, you go sit. Oh, go over there. Ito na naman tayo. Open, try to open, but it's heavy. Wow, thank you so much. Early gift. Okay, go. Thank you so much. Wow, I can't wait to see na. Come on, Nikki. Let's go. Go. Is it heavy? Go, Nikki, go, Nikki, go, Nikki, go. Go, Nikki, go. You cannot push, you cannot take.
Can
Are
you
you?
help me, Mom?
Okay.
Come on, go.
Go. Go, Nikki, go, Nikki, go, Nikki. Oh. Go, Nikki, go. Almost there. It's so big.
So worth it.
Salamat sa nagpadala. Oh. Yeah, me too. Almost there. Huh?
I cannot move.
You cannot move. Go, Nikki.
I need to push this.
So clever. Very good. Wow. What's that?
I see the pink one.
What? What are you doing, Babs?
There's a pink one.
Sinira na niya yung box, guys.
What is this?
Oh, that's for the inside. You need to open this one first. Oy, open it. Yeah, you need to go that way. Mommy cannot see. Okay. Surprise! Wow, look at that. Wait, Baba, see? How to curl your hair with Koanda hair. Oh my God. Wow! Slowly, Baba.
What? So let's go to the.
For the curly, Babs. Curly. Then, what else? Wow, ang ganda ng lagayan niya. Sobrang ganda ng lagayan niya. The best. Tapos, meron na rin siyang
Wait,
ito,
I need to fix
lower.
this.
Tapos, meron na rin siyang suklay. Pinapangarap ko to, guys. Thank you so much sa nagpadala. Ito yung ito yung dyan mo siya ilalagay. So,
This.
wow. Huh?
A big one.
What big one? Oh, this is not a toy, ha? It's not a toy.
Can help me to sink her out or the.
Ay, naglaro ka na palangga.
It's so nice.
Hindi yan laruan. Oy! Ano? It's not. Dito yan, oh. Para dito.